can't tell where your hair ends and mine begins. If I'm hair or tattoos, I would think that it's your skin. If I move too quick, that's you, I would think it's my affection. It's cold, she isn't close enough. You could say every time we touch, every time we wish you could feel me, you the apartment. One bedroom, right where your heart is. Each space feels broken hearted. Cross the bed, feel way too foreign. Wonder when they see just one, do they see us too? Ooh, I just wanna melt into you. I'm melting to you. Just wanna melt into you. Melting to you. Melting to imagine you're ready for love and chase up and down. Open your legs so you can spit it out your mouth. Inhale, exhale, breathe in. With every breath I'm sinking in. No way to describe it, I'm a riot. If I wake up and I'm somehow beside you, instead of beside you, this shit is surprise you. You don't even notice, don't need to remind you. Wish you could feel me, you the apartment. One bedroom, right where your heart is. Each place feels broken hearted. Cross the bed, feels way too foreign. I wonder when they see just one, do they see us through? You 'cause I can see your star shining down on me. I can see your star shining down on me.
I feel like melted really good. I have my ring light on, so if you see anything, so if y'all like this hair, it is thin in the back though, but I don't think you're seeing tracks. But otherwise, we're back remelted, because when I checked back the footage, I was like, the ring light was making everything look crazy, and this is why I don't record in the nighttime. But we're back, okay? Back, because watching that back when I was editing, I was like, this looks crazy. This side, there's like hair stuck under the lace, like right here, so I got that out and I melted it down. This is how it looks. Natural lighting, no ring light, nothing. Remelted, boo.